Hello, welcome to netvn channel. You have an old computer and cannot install Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating systems. Better make it a Chromebook. In addition to the old computer, you need a USB stick with at least 8 GB capacity. Next, go to netvn.com and download the free version of Chrome OS for everyone. There are two ways to create a Chrome OS installer, and I choose the easier one. With the USB Maker software, it takes about 20 minutes to create the Chrome OS installer. USB Maker automatically downloads and creates the installer for you. Just get up and go out and come back in 20 minutes and you've got the installer you need. You plug your USB stick into the target computer and adjust the computer's boot order to USB storage. You will be asked to connect to the internet, then enter your Google account. Most people have their own Google account. At this point, you can use Chrome OS directly on the USB stick, but I want to install it on my computer's hard drive. So I choose to install Chrome OS on the hard drive. You unplug the USB stick from the computer and start the computer from the hard drive. Just like the previous step, you will be asked to connect to the network and enter your Google account. And finally, you have a Chromebook and it will be very useful to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.